In today's video, we are going to build a bolt carrier group from scratch, basically from the ground up, so you can see how all the parts and pieces interact, and that way you can take it apart if you need to as well for cleaning. I'll tell you what is kind of helpful with mats like this, where it actually has all the parts listed out. It's got a diagram of kind of how the parts go together. This was sent to us by our friends over here at Cirrus Gear, and if it's not there now, hopefully it will be shortly. We'll provide a discount code in the description. They've got thousands of mats out there, and you're bound to find one for the gun of your choice. Anyway, with that said, so we've got everything. We got the firing pin, we got the bolt carrier key, the bolt carrier key screws, the bolt carrier itself, firing pin retainer, we've got the cam or cam pin, we've got the extractor pin, your gas keys, your gas rings, your bolt itself, and some of the tools we'll need are a torque wrench in inch pounds, 9/64 bit, and I use Fix-It sticks. Love their tool sets. There will be a discount code as well for the Fix-It sticks, and sometimes a pick comes in handy, so I always have one nearby in case I need it. All right, with that said, let's move right to the bolt carrier, and we'll put the key on. The key, gas key, faces to the rear. And get these two screws started in there. Now we're gonna torque these down to 35 to 40 inch-pounds. And so I'm gonna get this rolling here. I try to tighten them about equal on each side, just to once they're started in there. Okay, and then we're gonna get them down to that 40 mark. Okay, I'm gonna take it out and turn it so we can see it. And we'll see if we can't get it up to, there's 35. We'll just leave it at 35. Grab the other one. Don't know if you can see it. The light may not be helping us out here, but get that one down to 35 as well. And that's it for the carrier key. For the bolt, got to get your gas rings in there. I tend to just kind of slide them over. There's a split in there. You don't want to obviously split the ring in two, but I put them over this way and just kind of slide them over the edge the best you can. In there. The one thing you want to do with the gas rings, and if you've seen any other videos, the notches need to be separated. So if you look at your rings, you'll see, oh, let's see if you can see the notches. Okay, just make sure they don't all line up and that they're scattered. As long as they don't line up, everything will be fine and dandy. All right, next let's put in our extractor. The extractor spring on this one's attached. If it's separate, you just pop the spring in. Hold it down, take your pen. You shouldn't need any tools to put the pin in. It should really slide right in. Like so. There's your extractor. And the rest of this is basically the assembly of the bolt itself. So, take your bolt. The cam pin only goes in one way. You'll notice that on the bolt there's holes it won't fit in one hole, it will fit in one hole. That didn't make very much sense, but I'm sure you get the point. So we're gonna line up that hole, drop in the cam pin, gonna turn the cam pin 90 degrees, pull the bolt to the rear, just like so. Next we're going to put in the firing pin, and then the firing pin retainer. Push that in just like so. And there you have it. You built a bolt carrier group from the ground up. Taking it apart, reverse direction. Sometimes this is where the pin comes in handy. Dump the firing pin. Turn the cam. Pull your bolt out. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to take out those gas rings too, because they do need to get replaced every once in a while. You could use a punch to get this pin out. Sometimes it can be a stinker. Okay, there's your extractor. It's another handy tool to have for the gas keys, excuse me, the gas rings. Get it started over the top. Pull them off. Rarely will you have to take these guys off, but if you do, now you know how. And there you go, back apart. All the parts are replaceable. If anything goes wrong, now you have it. Subscribe to the channel, help a small veteran-owned business. Click the bell up in the corner and you'll be notified. I put videos out as often as I can. Firearms repair, firearms assembly, firearms cleaning. We also do prepping videos and growing food in Northeast Florida on a small amount of property. So, train hard and stay safe out there.